Hi everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to save the footprints. If you remember from the last lecture, we created the RF24 footprint on Footprint Editor. So here, I did a little bit change. I rotated these text for each pins, and now I'm going to save this. So the first step you need to keep in mind to save a footprint is to create a new library. So to create a new library, you'll go to the files and then you will click on new library and this window will appear. And then you can type the name of your library, for example, um, module, something like that. You can save it. Right now, I'm not going to save it because I have already saved it in my computer. So you can see here, Neha-library is the name of my new library. And I have saved it on my computer. And once you create a new library, the next step you have to do is to save this footprint as you'll click on the Save As button. And when you click, then you will see here uh, lots of components are mentioned under which you can save it. But I will be saving it under Neha Neha dash library you see here. So I'll be saving it under that. Right now, again, I'm not going to do it because I've already saved my component. But once you create a library, make sure you search that library here and save it under that. So now my footprint is saved in my new library. The next thing, I'll go to my Ishma, and then here I will attach my footprint to the schematic. So clicking over there. So there we go. So here we need to do a little bit change here. The right library is not attached to this connector pin. So I'll go to this connector and so now I can short it by sometimes it takes time. So I'll go here. Oh, sorry, I was clicking on the wrong connector. I have to go to the connector dash pin header and then short it by 1x8. So I am looking for this one. I'll enlarge the screen. So now I hope you can better see. So for connector, I'll put this one. And then for my next RF24, I'll go to the library, Neha dash library. It must be somewhere here. Here, you see the Neha dash library. So I'll click, when you click here, whatever the footprint you have saved under that will appear here. And when you double click, then it will be saved here. Now, if you want to check like if your footprint is the correct footprint saved here, to do that, you will click here and you can see this is the footprint I made and it is saved on the right location. And the same thing you can do for here for the connector, and there you see the 8 connector pin here. So this is how you save the footprints.